What if your next big investment opportunity is just around the corner? Well, IPOs are a fantastic way to get in early on companies that are poised for major growth. Welcome back to the Finance Fixer. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 upcoming IPOs in 2025 that are creating a buzz in the market. From fintech giants to space exploration pioneers, these companies are making waves. So, let's dive in and see what makes them so exciting for investors. Stripe expected. Valuation: $70 billion to $100 billion. The fintech powerhouse that's revolutionizing online payment processing. Founded by brothers Patrick and John Collison, Stripe has quickly become one of the most valuable companies in the fintech space. What sets Stripe apart? Its developer-friendly API, which allows businesses of all sizes to seamlessly integrate payments into their platforms. It's already a household name for e-commerce businesses around the world. And as the global economy continues shifting towards digital payments, Stripe's IPO could change the game for online transactions. Expected IPO in 2025. With a valuation projected between $70 billion and $100 billion, Stripe's IPO is expected to draw massive attention. But it's not without its challenges. Stripe faces competition from the likes of PayPal, Square, and newer fintech players. But given its market dominance and scalability, Stripe is definitely a company to watch in 2025. SpaceX expected valuation: $100 billion. SpaceX, the company that's out of this world. Founded by Elon Musk, SpaceX is leading the charge in private space exploration, with ambitious goals to make space travel more affordable and sustainable. From launching rockets to working on missions to Mars, SpaceX is setting the stage for the future of space exploration. SpaceX's valuation is expected to be well over $100 billion, and when it comes to private space companies, there's really no one like them. The company's innovative approach to reusable rockets and its long-term vision for interplanetary travel make it one of the most anticipated IPOs in recent years. But with such a high valuation, there's a lot of risk involved, especially considering the huge costs associated with space exploration. Investors will need to think carefully before jumping in. Potential IPO in 2025: Instacart expected valuation: $30 billion. Instacart, the grocery delivery platform that became a household name during the pandemic. Instacart's platform allows users to shop for groceries online and have them delivered the same day, convenience at its finest. While it started off primarily as a solution for the pandemic, Instacart has continued to grow, serving as a critical link between consumers and grocery stores. With a valuation expected around $30 billion, Instacart is well positioned to capitalize on the ongoing trend of e-commerce and grocery delivery. But it's not all smooth sailing. Instacart faces increasing competition from giants like Amazon Fresh and Walmart. Despite that, the company's strong market presence gives it an edge in the grocery delivery space. IPO expected in 2025: Databricks expected valuation: $30 billion. Now, let's talk about Databricks, a company that's reshaping how businesses use data. Databricks provides an AI-driven platform for data analytics and machine learning, enabling businesses to unlock the full potential of their data. Databricks is a key player in the big data and AI space, helping organizations integrate machine learning with massive data processing. With a valuation around $30 billion, it's set to dominate the cloud data analytics market, but there's tough competition from the likes of Snowflake and Microsoft Azure. Still, Databricks is showing immense growth potential as more and more industries adopt data-driven solutions. IPO expected in 2025. Anduril Industries. Expected valuation: $10 billion to $15 billion. Anduril Industries, a defense tech company that's breaking new ground with its AI-driven surveillance systems, drones, and advanced military technologies. Anduril is shaking up the defense industry with cutting-edge solutions for national security. With a valuation estimated between $10 billion and $15 billion, Anduril has the potential to grow rapidly as governments and defense agencies look for smarter, more efficient solutions. The company is disrupting a sector traditionally dominated by large, established players, and its focus on AI and autonomous technologies gives it a unique edge. IPO expected in 2025. So there you have it. 5 upcoming IPOs that could offer huge investment opportunities in 2025. From fintech to space exploration, these companies are poised for significant growth, but as always, it's important to remember that investing in IPOs comes with risks. Do your research and consider consulting a financial advisor before jumping in. Which IPO are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest financial news and tips. Thanks for watching, and remember, always make smart investment choices.